Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Correct answer, parrot. Next question. Which bird is the fastest in the world? Correct answer, falcon. Next question. Which bird can fly backward? Correct answer, hummingbird. Next question. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Correct answer, ostrich. Next question. Which bird is often called the king of birds? Correct answer, eagle. Next question. Which bird is famous for dancing during mating season? Correct answer, crane.